What is it? What is it, Ebo?
Eddie, please don't leave me now. I can't do without you. I love you with all my heart.
Why can't you get it? I'm trying to be a responsible man to my pregnant wife. I love my wife. She's pregnant. She needs my attention. Please. Everything that happened is a mistake. I beg you in the name of God.
But Eddie, I love you with all my heart, and I'm ready to do anything just for us to stay together.
Hey, but it is over. I love my wife. See. Okay. What you do, please look for another man to marry, not a married man like me. Please, Ebo.
If you say so. But what about the farm clearing and the money you promised me?
Sorry, I can't leave my pregnant wife. Just look for some laborers to help you, please.
Eddie!
Please!
After giving you my heart and even opening my legs for you, you have decided to drop me. No problem. Just know that you have just touched the lion's tail. So be ready for the fight.
Amina, what is it?
My baby! You carry my baby. Hey! Baby!
Amina! Take it easy. Sorry.
it will not be well whosoever that caused this thing upon my husband. I'm tired. I feel so ashamed of myself. So my husband be carrying my baby. God, where are you? Where are you? I'm tired. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I'm tired.
All your property is now mine. No one can ever challenge me. Not your wife or your daughters. You will die, and I will inherit all your wealth. Die. Die.
That is the extent to which I have also dealt with my own enemy. He thinks he can use and dump me just like that. I'm not done with him yet. He will carry that pain in his belly for good 9 months. Then he will know that I am the sea daughter of the dark. I that killed my own husband. Who is that ordinary idiot that I am managing in life just to help myself that I cannot give?
Moby, Nollywood. You and I carried the baby for 12 months. Or probably 2 years. So when he was to deliver the baby already has toots.
Which baby are you talking about? The one I have sacrificed to the dark creatures of the night. All he carries in his belly is nothing but pains. At least that would serve him right. Then he will know how to keep his mouth and his mountain in one place.
How sweet it is to pay back the bandits of our victims. Stop crying, huh? Let that go. Look, your cry will not bring him back.
He will take care of my children. That's why. My husband was fine yesterday. Only for you to wake up today.
I'm here to take care of you. And to take care of other things, huh? Don't worry.
Papa, why? Papa, why? Why did you leave without saying goodbye? Not even a word.
My daughter. Don't worry. God is in control. He will make a way when there should be no way. My children is okay. Hey, life is good.
Where are you?
This pregnancy, wherever you have come from, I find you. If I be a man of God, if I be a man of God, I command power from heaven to take these things away. To take this thing away. Every power that is militating against you, let them begin to run. Let them begin to run. Let them begin to run. Hey, Father, take away this pregnancy. Take away this everything that you have eaten that is making your tummy swear. That is making your stomach swear. Father, the Bible said affliction will not repeat itself. I cast this thing away. I cast this thing away. Every devil that is inside your stomach, I begin to cast them away. I begin to cast them away. Hey, Father, where is the God of Elijah? Come and answer me with fire. Come and answer me with fire. I bind. Yes. Begin to shout. Shout it out. Reka mama. Sataya baba. Rakaso toye baba.
Sister Juliet.
Yes.
See, when you go to Sandra's house,
Okay, Pastor.
3 members of the prayer warrior team.
Yes,
and
Pastor.
go and pray for her. She needs prayer. Who are you and what are you doing here?
Pastor or whosoever you call yourself, stay clear from those we have put in captivity. Mind your church business, else you shall die.
You little devil. You don't have the power to put anyone in captivity. Only God can rescue and save souls.
I tell you, I warn you, stay clear from Eddie. His soul belongs to me, and I will make him pay for everything he has done to me. Stay clear, or death shall be your portion.
Keep quiet before you bring destruction upon yourself. And the soul belongs to God, and only Him can decide what to do with his soul.
This is just a lesson to you.
My chest.
The next time I come here, death shall be your portion. Pastor, you okay? Pastor, please don't die.
Is she good?
Jesus, don't die. Pastor, please don't die. Yes, Pastor, please don't die.
That woman is evil.
Pastor, let's go.
Let me go and eat.
It's okay. Sorry. Take it easy. Sorry. Let me rest. You will rest now. Let me just take the sorry. Okay.
Why don't you sit down?
Sit down. It's alright. Sorry.
I call the pastor.
Pastor. Okay.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hey.
What is this? What is all this? What is all this? Ghost of our land!
Please, Pastor. Jesus, please, Pastor. 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 Thank God.
What is it?
Pastor.
What
When we
is
come
it?
in here,
Yes.
I saw Mrs. Ede.
Yes.
She said she come and pray for her husband that is dying.
She come and pray for her husband.
Yes, Pastor.
And you came to tell me. Don't understand it. She told you that she come and pray for her husband, and you came to tell me.
Pastor, please don't allow that man to die.
Understand you? Were you not here when she came to tell me, and I went to their house, I prayed for that man, we went together. And after we prayed for him, we came back, and that evil woman nearly killed me, yeah?
Pastor, you cannot allow that man to die.
Okay, it is not me. It's me that should not die. It is not me that should lose my life. Abi, it's me that should not lose my life because of another man. Abi, my dear, see, if you don't mind, I was actually on my way to go and eat, and I was coming to lock the door when I saw you. So if you are hungry, lock the door and follow me. Lock the church door.
Pastor, please.
I should come and pray for me. Go and lock the church door.
Brother. Where's Auntie? She's coming. She went to call the pastor. They'll be here very soon. But sorry. She's here.
Thank you. Oh, what can I hear? I'm tired.
Where's Pastor now?
We should face our problem by ourselves.
Hey, what is all this now? What is this now? Even Pastor has refused to come. Hey, what have you done to yourself, brother? Sorry.
Well, I've called this meeting so that we can do, according to tradition, what is right. Since we have successfully buried my brother.
And if I may ask, what could that be?
Well, according to tradition, if a man dies and has a son, the son will inherit his property. But if he has no son, all his property automatically goes to his son. And so, in this case, all his property now.
Uncle, you lied. Our father's property does not belong to you.
Tamae.
Which tradition says such? We are his children and we are entitled to inherit his properties.
Tamae!
Are you insane? Are you mad or are you insane? Which tradition says that the female child can inherit the father's property? Huh? Tell me, I'm asking.
Uncle, I don't understand why you want to cause problem. Our father built this house and gave you this part to stay. You should be thankful that we still allow you to stay here even after his death. Uncle, let me ask you. Where were you when my father was working so hard to build this house?
Ask it!
Where were you when my father was working to put on all this property that you are dragging today? Where were you?
Uncle, What is it now, huh? Don't you have respect for the dead?
Again, ask him.
It's just 3 months. 3 months. 3 months. Our father died. You are here claiming his property. What is it now? Eh?
Let me tell you now. You can pack in here and live here as tenants, or you leave final. You hear me?
You lie.
And that is final.
It will not happen. It will not happen, my sister. It will never happen. It will never happen.
No. See, let me tell you people. See, my father has spoken already. And as the first son of my father, I will make sure that you leave this compound. And I will leave for pieces.
Rubbish. Like mother, like daughter.
Like
father, like son.
No.
This is how I started and he was unable to do anything. You have
Is it a crime now to have female children? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Is it a let to leave my children alone?
Tell him.
Leave my children alone.
Sister, I was going to the farm today. We have to go. If not, nothing to eat.
Once I'm done with this clothes, we will go. Better go and get prepared.
I'm not going there.
Don't go, don't eat.
I want to stay with Mama at home. I can't though. I will stay with Mama at home.
Clap for yourself. Don't walk without it.
Notice.
Amen. No. Amen, stand up. Amen, open your eyes. Amen. Sister! Mama! Amen! No. Sister! Mama! Hey! Sister! Amen! Mama! Amen, wake up! What happened to her?
Amen.
Please wake up!
Stand up. You see your mother. I'm here.
Amen.
Don't do
Please wake up!
No. You will not die, my daughter.
Hey!
Don't push you, come on, neighbors! Come on, help me, oh, my daughter is dying! Hey, Amen, please. Amen.
Mama, stay and come put my airport. Stay and come put my airport.
I reject it. You know, that your wicked uncle will not come here. He said, I'm going to come God. Go come and see my daughter. She will not die. Amen, you will not die. You will not die. You will not glorify God. In the name of Jesus. You will not die, my daughter. You will not die in the name of Jesus. I pray. Thank you, Jesus.
Amen. She's away. Amen. She's away.
What's that? Oh, I am grateful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Look at how she is selling. Why I am here, nobody is asking me if I have a shop, not to talk more of selling things that are inside. What power is she using that made her to have all these customers? Don't worry, I know what to do. She must get out of my way.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What about our last discussion? Remember, we discussed about you handing over your late husband's property to me.
Why can't you allow my husband to rest in peace? I am still mourning. And there's no way I can hand over my late husband's property to you. Because he has children.
Children? He has no son. I have a son. So, his late property belongs to me and my son.
Let me tell you something. There's no way I can hand over my late husband's property to you. Over my dead body will I try that?
Over your dead body?
You heard me clear.
Over your dead body. Over your dead body.
My husband has not rested. Come to hand over his property to me. Come on. Neighbor, good afternoon. Well done. Answer me now, what?
Answer you what? What is good about the afternoon? I ask you again, what is good about the afternoon?
What is the matter?
Look, let me tell you. Azagwa Azaini.
Myself?
So you think you can just collect all my customers? Just like that?
Your customers?
Yes, my customers.
How?
Let me tell you. This whole area is my territory. So you cannot just come and dominate just like that and go scot-free. Do you know why? Answer me. Do you know why?
Why?
I am the great Akobisi, the daughter of the 7 rivers. So you cannot just come here and take what belongs to me. So you cannot come here and just you cannot just come here and dominate just like that. No, let me tell you.
I don't know Akobisi. I'm Akobisi. You don't know me.
Keep quiet!
10-20.
Quiet and let me talk!
I have said mine. Myself?
Yes. Wait for me.
Myself? Come on, let me tell you. I will let you know that I'm a typical Who got never so you shall not buy Who got never very you shall not buy Who go Azagwa saying.
Don't worry.
But don't get me oh. What get me oh? Hey!
Is this how Benin is? Huh? People are just dying. Can you imagine? Tina is dead.
Okay.
First, it was Efosa, then Papa Ifweko. Huh? I'm tired though. I'm tired. We are not safe at all.
My dear, see, Benin is not like that. It's just that our village is worst. They seems not to see good of others.
I think your village needs Christ.
Yes, Our village needs Christ because nobody is safe, including the strangers. We are not safe at all.
And who do you think that will bring Christ to us?
The man of God that came was not be able to make it alive. Talk more of bringing Christ to us. In God our life is.
Because we are not safe, oh. We are not safe at all. I need.
My own is that I only pray that someone will come and marry me out of this village. Ha! Please, let's go.
Hey, Mel.
Amina, this pregnancy is too heavy for me.
My husband.
Amina.
Tell me the truth. Did you sleep with any woman?
No.
Or did you steal anything that does not belong to you? Because rumor has been going on in this village for the past 3 months now that you have been having an affair with Abel. Which landed you to this?
God forbid. How can you say that when you know I cannot stand with a woman in this village, Amina? Amina, this is the work of the devil.
Devil, you better be, oh. Because you see, in this very condition, I am confused. I am tired.
Amina, I swear with my life. They are lying. Amina, it's too much for me to bear. Amina.
Why did you do that? Eh? How dare you? Eh? What did you do that to me?
You slapped me.
I will do it again and again. If you try it again, I will make sure I report you to the name of this community. Yes.
This community. What do you mean?
Hi.
What is going on here? You just ask your good for nothing, uncle. You just go and start touching my wrist.
Eh? Wait. Just let my father.
Stop making this.
Will you shut up? Why will your useless father touch my mother's waist?
What?
Never in your miserable life. Try it again.
Why should I not touch your waist? Why should I not touch your waist? It looks like you want to see the bad side of me now. Huh? Now you go inside and get me all the documents of my late brother, or else I will deal with you.
I will not give you my husband's documents. I will never, because they belong to my daughters. Yes!
All right, we shall see.
We shall see nothing.
We shall see.
We shall see nothing.
We shall see. I'm telling you, we shall see.
To the extent you slap my father, don't worry. Just wait till my sister come back first. Just wait.
Will you shut up and get out from this place?
Yes. Shut up. How dare you? Go back to your useless father. Look at them. I will give you father. I will give you father. Look at him. Like father, like son. Good for nothing fools.
But I will never give your good for nothing.
I will never, not in my life.
Don't give him. We are ready for him.
Yes.
Let him come and face us man to man. What is all this?
Who say Amen? Lie down.
Let me go and see Mama Osamui. I can't see. It looks as if I'm blind. Everywhere is blank. I can't see. Hey, my enemies are at it again. They're at it again.
Mama,
my enemies.
Mama,
They're at it
now,
again.
what is it?
I can't see.
No, it's a lie.
Everywhere is
Mama,
blank.
it's a joke.
Everywhere is blank.
Mama,
I can't see.
Hey! Mama,
where are you?
Mama, look at me. Mama, just look at me.
Hey, I can't see.
Sister! Mama, please. Mama, please.
I can't see.
Look at me now. What is going on?
I can't see. I can't see.
Help me.
My enemy. My enemy, they're at it again. They're at it again.
Are you not seeing me?
Mama.
It's a joke. It's a lie.
Everywhere is
Mama,
blank.
it's too expensive.
Look as if I'm blind.
Mama, look at me. Mama, I'm here, Peko. I'm very white. Can you
Yes,
see
I
me?
can feel you.
Mama, open your eyes. Can you see me?
Everywhere is blank. Again.
Mama, look at me. Mama, I'm here, Peko. I'm here. Mama, I'm very white. Can you see me? Can you see me? No.
I can't see. My eyes are blank. I can't see. My enemies are at it again. They're at it again.
Uncle, my mother is blind. Please come and help us.
Come and help you.
Uncle, please.
Your mother was so bold. She had the guts to slap me, an elderly man. Let her suffer the consequences. Let her suffer the consequences, I say. And I'll make sure that all of you suffer. You will suffer.
Please forgive us, please.
You will suffer. Yes, all of you shall suffer and suffer. Out, get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight.
Sorry, brother. Now what is this?
Sorry, brother. Yeah, sorry.
My God, what strangeness have my eyes seen? My pregnancy that brings joy to my home have suddenly becomes the evil that troubles us all. Look at, everyone has deserted us.
Not everyone, our dear wife. How is my brother faring today?
It is worse. You can see for yourself. Pregnancy to a woman might be painful, but you see, to a man, it's unbearable.
I'm here with you.
At this time, please come and leave me in this painful shame and
Brother, I never left you. I was only thinking of a solution to your problems. Since the herbalists and the pastors can't help, so someone has directed me to a native doctor who can help us out of this shame.
Really?
Yeah.
Please, when are we going there? Please, I am tired of this shame. I'm tired of this mockery. I'm tired of people pointing fingers at me. Please.
I know, Auntie, I know. And that's why I'm here, to tell you and my brother.
Thank you.
I'm ready. I'm good.
Sorry, brother.
When people are dying this nowadays, I don't understand it.
Look at the son who was wife the other day. The way she died.
What baffles me most is Jagonya's brother that died. I wonder how those children will feed him. I don't know how the brother has sorry for this. But that is the Jagonya. It's a very wicked man. It's a very wicked man. Dama, if not to take the property, the inheritance of these children. Are you sure? Yes, now. I'm telling you. Dama. But I would suggest you go and see it so that we hear from him first. Oh, we go. But I will tell you that man is a bad man and is a wicked man. Are you sure? I'm very sure. No, you cannot confirm that. Don't say that. Are you a stranger in this land? He's a bad man. See, it's better we see him first. If I hear from the horses, if I have power as a logi in this community, I will just sing that my way. Thank God you don't have it. I don't have the power, but I will deal with that. Let's see him first.
Hey, Johnny. My brother, welcome to my house. I hope there's no problem. There is. We came in respect of what is happening in this community. And your late brother's family as well. What is happening in this community? Yes. Do I look like the Elodie of who looks into the problems of this community? As for my late brother's wife, she challenged me and claimed my rights. Huh? And she should suffer the consequences. Yes? She should suffer the consequences. Yes? It is the stubborn fly that follows the corpse. I said it.
Look at what is coming up from her. Because she refused to give you her late husband property. You are wickedness. One on. My friend, we will leave. I can't sit down with this evil man. Because of your little juju that you have. You think I'm afraid of you? Me, Idemuga. Am I a pure? How hard for Get my honor.
You can leave.
I can leave.
Yes.
I will leave.
You can leave.
We will leave.
Yes.
But you will suffer for it. Yes, you will suffer.
Leave. Nonsense. I'll come to my house to make noise. You don't know I'm the spiritual lord of this community.
I said it. Unbelievable. The wickedness that was with him from its youth age. Oh, you're great.
What is it? Follow him. Everybody should confront that scene. Sit down. Don't shout. Don't shout. What's this? Sit down.